culmination, the unveil of the Dupli-Color Restoration Series, a series that we did this year to show you guys how simple it is to take on a job like this and accomplish it in your own garage. I'm fortunate, privileged enough to introduce Jordan Graham, builder and designer extraordinaire, who helped us with this project. He's been working on it with us for the last several months here this year. The unveil, as you're here to see, we're fortunate enough to have Courtney with us, face of Speed Channel. It's Spike TV, I'm sorry, Spike TV.
PowerBlock.
PowerBlock. These are the guys you came to see. So again, all things made possible with Jordan and Courtney's help. Dupli-Color Products used throughout this project here, and again, simple enough to do in your own garage. So without further ado, I'd like to turn it over to Jordan and Courtney for the unveil of the 1928 Roadster in the building.
So Jordan was a guest on PowerBlock, and we talked all about this build, and I just think it's pretty awesome because he was building the car in a very small space, in like old school, tiny garage, and I can't wait to see the finished product. What was the most challenging part of the building it? 8-foot wide garage. He's saying he finished it at 12:30 on Sunday night. Now, how many people helped you? So the build was mostly done by himself. He had a little bit of help along the way. How long did it take? 6 months. Well, we can't wait to see it. So here's the unveiling of Jordan Graham and Dupli-Color's 1928 Roadster. Let's do a countdown. Yeah? 3, 2,